Alright, the supercell is pretty much gone. Last rumble thunder that I heard was about 15 minutes ago. It was around 7. Last rumble thunder that I heard was around 7:15. The last flash of lightning was also around that time. It's still raining outside, as you can hear it. Supercell's over, but it also dragged a rainstorm with it. It was flooding earlier. Earlier with the supercell thunderstorm. The winds were about 60, 70 mile per hour. Winds were about 60, 70 miles per hour. There were hailstones in the road. There were flooding downpours like now. Well, there were floods like now. There were downpours. There was lots of thunder and lightning. Now it's just rain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next time. It's starting to pour again.